A job in AWS Glue consists of the business logic that performs extract, transform, and load, or ETL work. An AWS Glue job is composed of data sources, a transformation script, and data targets. You can define triggers to initiate jobs based on a schedule, an event, or on demand. You can visually create and run your job by using AWS Glue Studio, a streamlined graphical interface in AWS Glue. You can also monitor job runs to understand runtime metrics, such as completion status, duration, and start time. With AWS Glue, you only pay for the time your ETL job takes to run. Here are the key components of a job. A data source is a data store that is used as input to a process or transform. Some data source options include AWS Glue Data Catalog, Amazon S3 buckets, Amazon Kinesis, Amazon DynamoDB, and relational databases. A transformation script is the code that extracts data from your data source, transforms the data, and loads it into your data targets. AWS Glue can automatically generate PySpark or Scala scripts for you, or you can use your own. A data target is where the job writes the transformed data. Some data target options include the AWS Glue Data Catalog, Amazon S3 buckets, and Amazon Redshift. Now, let's look at an AWS Glue job example. You can run an AWS Glue job using a built-in transformation, the relationalized transform in this case, to convert semi-structured data into relational tables. For example, this semi-structured data contains a single value A, a pair of values, B1 and B2, a structure C with children X and Y and an array D. After running the AWS Glue job, the value A converts directly to a column in a relational table. B1 and B2 convert to two relational columns. Structure C converts to two separate columns with each child value, C.X and C.Y, in each column. Array D converts to a relational column with a foreign key, or FK, that points to another relational table. Along with a primary key, or PK, the second relational table has columns that contain the offset and value of the items in the array. AWS Glue can then output this converted data directly to a relational database, or to files in Amazon S3 for further analysis, with tools such as Amazon Athena and Amazon Redshift Spectrum.